Good afternoon. My name is Peter James. I'm the Director for Career Life. I thought it would be a good time to stop and reflect on career life transitions and talk to you about what we actually do to provide support for businesses in Western Australia. We've done lots of videos, webinars, seminars and things like that, but I thought it would take a little bit of time just to summarise all the things that we provide in support of WA businesses, especially in the people engagement space. So I've been operating in people, change management, HR for about the last 25 years, of which the bulk of that time has been optimizing people within the workspace. And I guess career life transition is a culmination of all that work together with the great team we've pulled together. We've got Mel Bayer as a general manager. Recently we've taken on Eric Swartz. He's a organizational psych. We have a great group of consultants. Zach at support and administration and out the front. And really what my dream for career life transition is an organization that supports HR, companies and individuals through the challenges of transition through their life and through their careers. Now really starting as a broad picture in terms of organizational development, we certainly have the capacity to help you with any, work that required in the business, either through the processes or behaviours, through values and culture that improve the business and the people interaction with the business. I heard a statistic many years ago that said the difference between a very, very good company and a very, very poor performing company, if everything else given is equal, in other words, their assets, technology and things like that, was their people. And that having great people engagement could add up to 25% directly to the bottom line. Now, if we understand it's very, very complex dealing with people. It's very, very complex trying to bring together a team of people, a group of individuals, and have them work cohesively and together to achieve the results of the organisation. And that's what we do. That's what our expertise is. Starting at the top of the tree in terms of organisational development, it's about looking at those processes and systems and policies and things like that that either enhance your organisation's ability or detract from your organisation's ability. From the people point of view, it's about the culture and the values. And all that starts from leadership. So there's a lot of work we're doing in the leadership space right down through the organisation. Over my many years and more recently, we've done a lot in change management. And I define change management as opposed to organisational development where a specific project is occurring. And that may be the merging of two organisations or the rollout of an IT project or something like that. And in this space here, Eric really steps into his own. That's his area of expertise. We have newly released the Career Diagnostic Index, and that can really start to assess your organisation, assess the change process and target the interventions you want to put into that organisation to optimise the output rather than just rolling out an across-the-board change program. So you're looking at the large organisation, which is just optimising and operating in a current context. You have change management where you're actually trying to take the organisation from one place to another through some other vehicle. Then we move down to the teams that are in the organisation. Some teams work well, some teams don't work well. Why is that? What is the issues there? And it can be around behaviour, it can be to do with the mixture of the team, it can be to do with the processes it operates under, or even the tasks it's asked to do. And this is where career life transitions can come in and assess your team. We use diagnostics like DISC, LSI, Hogan, a whole range of other diagnostics that help you have a look at the team. We can assess where your team's at, make sure it has the right balance, make sure it has the right focus, and make sure it does the job of the team. Now that brings us down to the individual. And we are doing a lot of work at the moment helping individuals, especially in the coaching space, develop their skills. Develop their skills in a way that then contributes to them engaging with the organisation, for their staff to engage with them, and to make the organisation operate more effectively and efficiently. There's a whole range of things we do with individuals. We help people on board, we help people in their career through talent management, we help people individually through their career, all the way through to if they're exiting the organisation, what is the next step in their career, or do they need some support in looking for another role. So career life transitions offer a whole range of services that support organisations and individuals. If you're an individual, we can certainly work with you to help you either through your career with the leadership development training, or whatever support you need in terms of your life transitions. In terms of an organisation, we have the capability and capacity to come and assist you optimise the people engagement of the organisation through either process or behaviour. So if any of these things are issues your organisation are facing, and let's deal with the facts here, we are in a constant state of flux at the moment with technology, with robotics, with artificial intelligence. If your organisation isn't in constant change, isn't in constant movement, then you are definitely falling behind, because everything is moving at such a great pace. And getting your people to accept that change isn't an event, change is now a continuous path that every organisation needs to be on. If that's where you're trying to achieve or what you're trying to achieve, then career life transitions can help you through that process. So please, this is just a little video to give you a little bit of an update and an overview of where we can assist you. Please give us a call. Mel and myself are available to assist you. We can come out and have a chat to you, buy the coffee, and talk to you about how we can support you or your organisation through life's changes. Anyway, Peter James, thanks very much. We have some seminars and workshop and webinars coming up. Please keep an eye out for those. Have a look at us on Facebook. Have a look out for us on Instagram, and we are on the internet. So we look forward to supporting you all in the future, and thank you for your time.